Fire in the Blackstone hole. Let's cook a cheesesteak. Stay tuned. Hello and welcome once again to my Blackstone griddle. We're going to throw down some oil because we're making a Chipotle cheesesteak. We've got some bell peppers and onions that we're going to saute up over here. Get them on there. Get them rocking. Start our veggies. Oh, we have some mushrooms too. Love me some shrooms. Got some white mushrooms sliced up. Get them on there. That's the veggies for the Chipotle cheesesteak. Now I made some Chipotle sauce a few days ago. We need to turn that Blackstone up a little bit. Get it rocking. Get it a-cooking. There we go. Mushrooms, bell peppers, and onions. That's what goes on a... this is called the Big Kahuna over at Jersey Mike's. And that's what I'm trying to recreate here today. The Big Kahuna. Chipotle cheesesteak. And we've got some... this is the steak. This is beef shaved steak that I get at Aldi's. This is actually ribeye steak shaved down. Let's put some oil down over here. You can see that. And we'll drop down our shaved steak. It's actually shaved ribeye. Good stuff that I get at Aldi's. Gonna get that chopped out, get it cooking. Not much to this, folks. Once you get the meat going and the veggies, all we gotta do is toast up some bread. Then we put it together, we'll have some of that Chipotle mayonnaise that I made the other day. If you haven't seen the video for that, it'll be in the iCard of this video. So yeah, let's get some seasoning on all this. We got some SPG, salt, pepper, and garlic going down. Come on now. My salt, pepper, and garlic is caking up on me. There it comes. Salt, pepper, and garlic on our veggies and cheesesteak. I think I got enough here to make 2 cheesesteaks. I want to slice this, I want to cut up this, cutting up our meat here. I think I got enough here to make 2 cheesesteaks. I'm going to slide this all down this way and get some bread going over here. I got a hoagie roll. I want to get it toasted up. So we'll take the hoagie roll, which I thought I sliced. I did. Sliced the wrong way. Okay, we'll put our hoagie roll down there. Get it toasted. We'll turn the griddle down to low over there. Get our veggies cooking. Get our cheesesteak going. Once the veggies and everything are cooked up, all we got to do is drop down some cheese on top of that. I got some pepper jack cheese for that. Get our meat separated out, chopped up. Yeah, looking good, boy. That's definitely enough for 2 cheesesteaks. I'll make one for my wife, I think. She doesn't want any Chipotle mayonnaise on hers, but I do. Chipotle mayonnaise, that stuff's rocking. Let me tell you what. Let's get some more seasoning on that. Salt, pepper, and garlic. All over it. A little bit more oil. Make it cook. Okay. Let's get our veggies tossed up. Get everything cooking. Meat cooking. Veggies cooking. Now I'm going to separate that into two halves. Make 2 cheesesteaks out of this. There we go. Nothing better than a cheesesteak, is it? Let me get that cooking. Get my bread toasted up. Get the veggies cooked. I love me some shrooms. Shrooms could have been cut up a little bit better than they were. They're fine. I like shrooms. I want to taste them shrooms in there. Chop chop up them shrooms a little bit. Some of them are kind of big. Onions and peppers. Yeah, if you go over to Jersey Mike's and you ask for a big kahuna, that's what you're going to get. Mushrooms, peppers, and onions. And if you ask for a big kahuna with chipotle sauce, that's an epic sandwich that you'll never forget. Trust me when I tell you. So let me get my veggies cooked up a little bit. My meat's cooking. Looking pretty good. Get it chopped up. Okay. I think we're ready to let's separate this into two piles of meat. One for me and one for my wife. Quite a bit of meat right there. I'll take some of these veggies and incorporate them into that pile of meat. Oh yeah, that's looking good. We can actually slide this down this way. Slide this down this way. I think we're ready to let's get this. It's too big for the bread right now. Gotta shape that up a little bit. Gotta fit our bread, which is getting nicely toasted. Get that off of there. Our veggies and meat shaped up a little bit. Some of that over there, right there. Okay. All right. That should fit my bread nicely. I think it's actually probably a little too big for the bread. Let's cut that down a little bit like that. Cut that part off. There we go. Now you're talking. Turn this griddle down. There we go. Now what we got to do is drop some cheese on there. Stay tuned. Okay, I got some nice pepper jack cheese we're going to lay on there. If I can get it to cooperate. I think 2 slices of pepper jack's enough. Yeah, that's enough right there. Once you get your, slide all this over here. This is for another sandwich I'm making. Slide all this down here. Get our bread. Once that cheese starts to get a little bit of melty, next thing we got to do is put some of that Chipotle mayonnaise on the bread. Stay tuned. Alright, the cheese is nicely melted. I'm going to take some of this Chipotle mayonnaise that I made the other day. Squirt some of that on there. Oh boy, that stuff's awesome. Let me tell you what. You want some on both on top and on bottom. Chipotle mayo. Nothing better. Getting a little stuck in the nozzle there. That's okay. Don't want to pop the top off there like my buddy the noob did the other day. Try that. There we go. Chipotle mayo. What we do now is we scoop that whole mixture there. Scoop it right into the bread. Like so. And there you go. Chipotle cheesesteak. Let me get that plated up, do the money shot, and we'll take a taste and drink a beer, so stay tuned. My Chipotle cheesesteak is done. Here's today's beer, a nice Jamaican beer. Mon, Red Stripe Mon, good beer. Not really appropriate for Chipotle cheesesteak, but I just happen to have this on hand and I like it, so I decided to have a Red Stripe. I've had Red Stripe before, I like it a lot. It's good, a nice lager from Jamaica, man. The land of Bob Marley, man. The land of Rastafari. Red Stripe, I can't wait to get a taste of that in my mouth. That's good beer. Red Stripe, let's quaff the froth off of it. Ah, delicious and refreshing as always. Let me turn the camera around and try to get some of this cheesesteak in my mouth. I should probably cut it in half. Stay tuned. Alright, my Chipotle cheesesteak is done. I had to cut it in half to make it more manageable. Don't that look good? I can't wait to get that in my mouth. That's gonna be delicious. I'm not kidding. Jersey Mike, it's got nothing on me, baby. Look at that cheesesteak. Oh man, I can't wait to eat this. Got a napkin. Babies, that is out of sight. Let me tell you what, that Chipotle mayonnaise is a little spicy, but it's good. Ah, that's delicious. Babies, please do yourself a favor. Go in the iCard. You'll see my Chipotle mayonnaise recipe. Make yourself some Chipotle mayonnaise. Cook up a cheesesteak like you always do. Put some of that mayo on there. You won't regret it, I promise you. It's the best ever. You know what I always say? What I always say is, if you like this crap, please subscribe. If you don't, well, the iCard is kind of taken up by my Chipotle mayonnaise recipe, but I did want to give a shout out to a guy, I'm pretty sure it's called Griddle, Cook, Eat, and More. I think his name is Doug. You know what I'm gonna have to do? I'll put him in the iCard, and I'll put a link in the description to the mayo video, so you can make this Chipotle mayo for yourself. I'm sitting here thinking about it, and I can't wait to get another bite of this cheesesteak, which is awesome. Oh. Chipotle mayo rocks, babies. Check it out. I gotta take a drink because it's spicy. I'll tell you what. Red Stripe. Babies, that's my video. Hope you enjoyed it. We'll see you next week. Bye!